Google AI Studio has essentially replaced every single AI app builder out there, and you can use it for free. Plus, it's incredibly easy, and you don't even need to know how to code. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it today. And if you've never used this before, let me show you how it works. So, for example, over here, you can see we go to aistudio.google.com, and then from here, we can start using Google AI Studio. Now, you can see inside the list, inside the chat, you've got a bunch of ideas. So you've got, for example, Gemini, you've got live, you've got images, you've got video, etc. Right? So these are all the different APIs that you can use. Now, inside the chat, you can just basically go back and forth with it, kind of like Chat GPT, for example. But if you want to do bigger and better things with this and build your own ideas, then you can actually go to the build section over here and you get options between the FAQs. So here, it's just sort of general FAQs. Then you've got your app section, and you can switch between recently viewed, created by others, and created by you. So between these, you can see all the different apps you've built. So, for example, I've built our AI avatar video generator, SEO keyword discovery tool, Gemini run planner, even an AI video optimizer. I'll show you how these work and how we build them in a second. But you can actually customize them exactly how you want. You can generate video, sound. You can even create live audio transcriptions, etc. If we go over to the app gallery now, you can see some examples as well of what we've got and what we can build. So you can even chat with Google Maps directly, which is pretty wild. You can use VAO Studio and basically describe any scene to get a video in seconds. You can use Run Chase, and this is basically a game that someone has built and shared inside the app. And you've got all these different options right here, right? So the way that I would approach this, and I'll put some free notes inside the AI Money Lab in case you want to learn how to use this stuff. So if you go to the AI Money Lab, link in the comments description, or just Google it if you want to. And then you can go down to AI automations. And this is where I'm going to show you how to use this stuff. All right. So if we go to add page down here, we're going to click on a new page, and I'll just insert the notes and the step-by-step instructions for using this. Okay. So Gemini free tool. So how to use, you just go to AI Studio. Google.com, and then from there you are going to click on build and start putting in your idea. So I want to show you some examples of what we've built so far, and then I'll come on to exactly how you can build these too. So for example, over here we have the AI video title optimizer. So what this can do, essentially, this is a tool that I've built and I've custom made it for my own use cases. And I think that's the best way to get the most out of this is you figure out, okay, where are you spending your time? What's wasting your time? What can you automate, and then how can you build it with Gemini AI Studio? And the beautiful thing about this is, you can build it very quickly. It's quite easy to use. It's better than, a lot of these other tools. When I've tested it versus Bolt or versus Lovable, I tend to get better outputs from Gemini Studio.